Hey there friends, welcome to another video. I'm checking out this PANERGY propane heater. This is for outdoors because it does burn stuff, so carbon monoxide. Pretty snug. There we go. Okay, my friends, now we'll just take it outside. That fits in there nicely like that, and we can test it out. Whoo-wee. It's a little chilly out here, my friends, but I got my, it is cold. I got my propane heater out though. And to turn it on, all you have to do is you go over, you push it in, and you can watch the front here. There's a little flame that kicks on right there in the front. That flashes and that lights it up. It just sparks while you got the stuff going over that. So yeah, it's nice and cozy, my friends. Also got tip over protection too, so if this falls over, it's gonna turn this off. So like that turns sideways, there you go, flames out, and this is off. So it's super easy to get going here, and nice little heater. It's got the easy to carry around. The back parts doesn't get heated up, but this part puts out some pretty good heat there. Actually pretty impressed with it. Should be fairly durable. It's got this nice cage around it, kind of a metal top and stuff like that, so it's pretty sturdy. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day out there and stay warm. I'll see you next time. Also, if you want to turn it off just this way, just switch it to off.